Hey Marino, it's Ronan. Thanks for your email. So, you have a problem with playing trills, especially in fast songs. You can play them correctly and accurately when you want to play it. Sometimes your fingers aren't fast. Sometimes you miss a note or even play two notes at the same time. So, trills. Trills are an advanced technique. Before you can play something with trills, you need to be able to play it smoothly, the basic version. So if we take La Vie en Rose, if we play La Vie en Rose, there's a basic melody to it, which you need to be able to do. Let's just take that part, those notes. In order to add complexity to it, that's level 2. We can do complexity in any number of ways. You're asking about trills, ornaments. We could do it like this, right? Sliding up. Now, how do we get there? It's both a physical practice, just the fingers being able to go, right? I could show you that, but really there are two underlying principles. A, know the melody without stumbling, the basic melody. And again, emphasis on correct fingering. I'm not starting with my third finger because right away I'm introducing stumbling blocks, places where I'm going to screw up. So playing the riff correctly with the right fingering without trouble. And then, and only then, introducing the physicality. That's the second part of it. Physicality of the trill. And there are ways of practicing trills. On Accordion Love, I show doing trills up and down. So every note, the G, going down to the note below it with fingers 5 and 4. Then try it with fingers 4 and 3. Then with fingers 3 and 2. And again, I'm aiming for clarity. I'm aiming for consistency in the sound and just the smoothness in the playing. Then I try and introduce it. I'm not playing the whole song, just pinpointing where I want the trill and practicing. And I hear that these fingers are very, very smooth. These fingers, 4 and 5, not smooth at all. So my practice every day in my 15 minutes, and I try it with fingers 4 and 5, that's going down. I can also try going up. Right, that's an up trill. I'm overplaying the trills, but again, that's part of my practice. So your practice, whatever key your song is in. If it's, I'm blanking on songs. If it's a D minor waltz, your trill practice will be in D minor. With fingers going up and going down. Until you can play physically, quickly trills. So again, know the song, whatever song it is, you have to be able to play it before you could start introducing more advanced melody, whether that's trills, right? In order to introduce that, you need to know the basic melody and then just the physical practice of the advanced technique. Yeah, let me know what song you're working on. I'm happy to help you specifically on the song you're working on, but in general, the suggestion will be know the song and then practice the physical technique of trills in the key of the song. Thanks, Marino. Bye bye.